In a single beaker, tripodal molecules drift, meet, and lock into a glowing 3D network, like Lego bricks in solution snapping into a perfect tower. This network is a covalent organic framework, a crystalline, ultra-porous molecular sponge, built only from light elements and self-assembled through strong, stable covalent bonds. Because ChatCoffs can program every pore and pathway, COFs become a tunable platform, structure by design, performance on demand, ready for scalable manufacturing. In solar cells, semiconductors, and chip fabrication, COFs can guide light and charge with precision, enabling lighter devices, cleaner processes, and new chip architectures. In medicine and targeted drug delivery, COFs can carry and release therapeutics exactly where needed, supporting safer treatments inside established, high-value healthcare markets. Embedded in 3D printing inks and coatings, COFs turn static parts into active components. ChatCoffs designs and de-risks these materials at scale.
Invest now and help shape the next materials revolution. ChatCoffs is part of the NVIDIA Inception program, recognizing the world's most innovative startups.